Hello again. This is Gareth with Alio Capital and Altitude AI. Uh, had a question that came up pretty commonly and wanted to talk through how to address that, which is basically why is my portfolio down? Right? We as wealth advisors or wealth professionals or investment tech owners or individual investors deal with this all the time. Let's talk about how to get it addressed. So quite simply, I've built a handful of portfolios in here. Let's use the American Funds Moderate Growth. So here's the American Funds Moderate Growth portfolio. They may have had a change or two here and there, but last time I saw it, this is exactly what it is. All you have to do is upload your portfolio into Altitude AI. There's a little button to do that. Here I'll actually show you. So you just go to Build Portfolio, and then you can upload this file right here on the right. But I've already done that. So simply all I have to do is just pull up the American Funds Moderate Growth portfolio and ask it the simple question: why is my portfolio down? While it's doing this, or while it's thinking, what it's doing is it's going through all of the market news, it's going through all of the individual positions, it's going through the macro regime and exactly what's going on within the global financial sectors as well as our own financial sectors domestically to understand exactly what's down and why it is down. And it's doing this both at a portfolio level, but also on a position by position basis. The other thing it'll do is it'll actually look at what some of the risks and opportunities are within the portfolio. So you can look at some sector pictures, what could help, potential rebalancing. Looks like real estate, energy, and commodities will hold up better in this environment according to the macro regime. So all I have to do is say, great. Build the let's say make changes to the portfolio. Great. Make changes to the portfolio in order to improve performance. All right. And what it's going to do is it's going to look through each of the positions. So in this case, it's kind of highlighted some consumer discretionary that's had some downturns. Materials have had downturns. Tech's been down, but financials and healthcare are up, right? So here we go. Here's some energy positions that we can add. And then so all I have to do, it says it wants to add for some financials, add some utilities, add a little bit of real estate, and then it's pulling from the down sectors I mentioned. And then I say, great, build a portfolio, build the allocation, and away it goes. So I'll actually build this as specific allocation using the new tickers in the new sectors, just as I asked it to. And what this is doing is it's creating interaction with either the investment platform. If I'm a fintech, it's letting me make adjustments to a client portfolio, potentially save a relationship. If I'm a wealth advisor, or if I'm a wholesaler, I'm able to do portfolio adjustments in 30 to 40 seconds or 2 to 3 minutes instead of having to email my asset manager, have them come back to me with specific suggestions, etc. So right here, created some utilities, added in a few more ETFs, particularly some bonds, moved to short term. And then all I have to do is either click over the build screen here on Altitude AI, or if this is incorporated with your fintech platform, you can just simply prompt it to build a trade sheet, and away it will go to your trading server. So again, a really easy way to answer the question, why is my portfolio down? The whole thing took us, 3.5 minutes, and we've potentially saved that client relationship or earned additional trust from a client who's using our fintech platform. Again, this is Gareth with Altitude AI. I look forward to digging into more.